Welcome to Morgan. You guys have all been asking about an update about what's going on with Morgan Residential. Well, as you can see, this is our 2-bedroom model. This is a 2-bedroom lock-off. We just passed the laundry room. Here's our kitchen, living, dining. This condo is almost completed, just waiting for appliances. Mini split that'll be right up here behind me. One of the nice things about this unit is both bedrooms are separated. The lock-off meaning that you can lock off one of the bedrooms and it has a mini kitchen that'll be there. That way it can be rented as a 1-bedroom or a 2-bedroom. Every room in this house just about has a view, and from the kitchen, from the dining, from both the bedrooms. Great wraparound deck. The beauty of this project is the views, is that you get to see all the twinkling lights, see the cruise ships come in. This particular unit has a great long wraparound deck, so it's one that you'll truly enjoy. There are 6 different footprints for these 2-bedroom units, and this is just one of them. So there's a little something here for everybody. This is one of our bedrooms. They're all great size, you'll see. There'll be air conditioners in each of the bedrooms, and of course one in the living area. They all have their sliding glass windows. They're all showers. So as you'll see, it's a huge shower that's in this one. This isn't the master. I'm pretty sure this is the guest room, as you'll see. Now I kind of take it for granted that everybody understands what a lock-off means. A lock-off basically means this. Let me show you. This door can be locked off, and you can keep this as a 1-bedroom, full kitchen suite. Or you could be as a studio unit. This actually is the master bedroom, and it has a larger than the other guest suite, double sink, stand-up shower, and this will have a mini kitchen that's over here. It'll have a small refrigerator and a 2-burner stove. So that capabilities of 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom, or such. So it makes it flexible. This unit here is one of the few 1-bedrooms that we have. Now this is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Nice plus on that. Come in and check this one out. Half bath. Laundry facility is where your stackable washer and dryer can go. This is going to be your kitchen with an island that's right here. As you can see, lots of ample space. Come and see the bedroom, huge. Nice and great natural light. What's going to be happening from these 2 units that's here is you're going to be walking right out to the deck, which is going to have built-in fire pits, barbecues. It'll have built-in couches and lounge chairs. It'll be a sun deck. So what you see here now will be 3 more units going on top right here. So this will be the top floor. Above us right here is an infinity edge pool, and it's completed. You can't see it right now, but it's a huge pool that's on top of us right here. Whole length of this will be all sun deck with built-in couches and umbrellas, and very inviting. As you can see, progress is happening. These things will be closing. The first 21 units will be ready for delivery mid-April to the end of April. Now, here's some good news here for you. Follow me. We've started our phase 2. The foundations are in, and it'll be 9 months from last week, 9 months for completion of the total project. There'll be another 27 units going up here. This will be underground parking. There'll be then 4 levels above that. And again, covered parking or underground parking. And 9 months from now, the whole project will be completed.